Hello everyone, welcome again to my podcast Sangrila with Ilanand Acharya. This is the second segment of the episode 3. Here I am going to continue with my experience with law of attraction and with some more stories, some more proofs regarding law of attraction which I have experienced during that duration. So yes, so it was around 1.5 month. I was going through this secret and read this secret book twice and thrice, and has seen the movie twice and thrice. And then suddenly one day I also came to know that there was one more book which was released by the same author, Rhonda Byrne, and the title of the book was The Power. And it was a very special book for me, as I got it on a very special occasion. And believe me, the power, I think, according to me, the power is more powerful than the secret book, because it has changed my life even more. Because power has all the content, it has all the content of the secret book also, and the more explanation, small details which they have included, and the very basic ingredient of law of attraction, that why law of attraction and how law of attraction is working and what is the proof. So The Power is one of my favorite. It is actually my favorite book among all the books of the Rhonda Byrne, which are The Secret, The Power, The Magic, The Hero. And nowadays, after so many years, there is one more book, How the Secret Changed My Life, and The Secret for Teenage, and there are so many books by Rhonda Byrne. So among all of them, I tell you, The Power is my favorite, and it is really very very good book. I suggest those who are feeling some doubt about law of attraction, or those who are not understanding, I think you should go through this book, The Power, once, at least once, and you'll see the difference. So yeah, moving forward. So as I mentioned you that I loved this book so much that it has become my friend. And for almost around 4 years, yes, since 2010 February till I can say, yes, May 2014. From February 2010 till May 2014, I was reading that book almost daily, because I already mentioned you that I had this 1 hour time while going to and fro from my home to college, and I have ample amount of time. And so I was reading that book, The Power, and it helped me to understand, it helped me to respond, it helped me to see the things differently. And the very basic core ingredient of that book is feelings. Everything is about feeling. How you feel says everything. So for example, if you are watching movie, and from inside there will be some feeling about that movie, that how you're feeling. So if you're feeling good about that movie, means it is going to impact, it is having a good impact on your life. And if you are feeling bad, I will immediately stop watching that movie, because I will not feel good, and I will not continue watching it, because that is the signal it is giving that stop, you have to avoid that thing. So feelings are the signals, feelings are the, you can say some intuitions which are coming from inside, which says that whether you are going on the right path or wrong. So so this is all about today's this segment, which I'll call it as introduction part 4, where I have described about one more book, The Power by Rhonda Byrne, and I'll say more in detail how it has impacted my life in detail. I know you all must be very keen to know much more. So please keep listening to this podcast, and thank you so much, and stay safe. Bye bye.